Your competitors are moving at the speed of light. So why is your business stuck in the slow lane? Here are 5 hidden costs you might not be aware of. First, endless IT maintenance. Your team could be spending 60 to 80% of their budget just keeping an outdated system alive, costing you over $200,000 a year. Next, lost productivity. Employees spend hours on manual workarounds, costing your company up to $500,000 annually in wasted time. Third, cybersecurity risks. Legacy systems are vulnerable to breaches, with costs for a single breach reaching millions in fines and lost trust. Fourth, downtime. Legacy systems experience 2 to 3 outages per year, costing companies millions in lost sales and penalties. Lastly, missed growth opportunities. Legacy systems can't scale, causing your business to miss out on key opportunities for expansion. That's where Odoo comes in. With Odoo, companies save up to 50% on operational costs, increase productivity, and scale without limitations. Don't wait. Contact us for a free Odoo readiness assessment and start saving today. Odoo, modern ERP for a smarter, more efficient business.
To grow your business with more great videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Has Themes on YouTube.